Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix insert SIM card to access network services on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select power off. Now just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with the smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole. Now just take out the SIM card tray. Now from here, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in your SIM card tray. And once you've done that, just insert your SIM card tray back in your smartphone. Now just press and hold the power button and power on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone is powered on. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings and go to apps. Now just tap on the three lines and enable Show System Apps. And in the search bar, just search SIM Toolkit. Now just tap on SIM Toolkit and go to Storage. Now just tap on Clear Cache and clear all data. After that, just go back and tap on General Management. Then go to Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings. After that, just reboot your smartphone. Now just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. And as you can see, our smartphone has turned on. And this is how you can fix insert SIM card to access network services on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.